Happy morning guys, this is Dr.R.Saranya, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science with Cybersecurity from Dr.R.S.N.S.RCAS College of Arts and Science. Today in this lecture series we are going to discuss about array in C programming. So in computer laboratory and all we will use array concepts, right? So what for we are using the concept array, that we are going to discuss in this lecture series. Come on, let us see what is meant by array. So simply array is none other than multiple values, n number of values we have. So that we have to store it in one name. So for that reason we are using this array concepts. So we used to call it collection of data of same data type. We are going to store it in single name. That's what we used to call as an array. So instead of declaring a separate variable in each and every values, if suppose we have n number of students, for example 60 students in a class, so each and every student record we have to store it in one space. So for that and all we can use array concept. So each and every student we no need to keep on in separate folder, separate name. We have n number of storage, right? So in order to avoid that we can specify array concepts. To create an array we have to define a data type first, and then we have to specify the name of an array followed by square brackets. So that we used to call as an square bracket. In computer term we used to call as an array symbol. So for example, int my number, here my numbers is none other than array name, and then followed by dimension symbol, square bracket, is equal to, we are going to store 4 values. That we are going to start from that, going to store it in backend with the help of indexing. Index starts from 0. So 0th value we have 25, and then 1th value 50, second index 75, third index we have 100. So 4 values we are going to store it in single name. So that's what we used to call as an array. So array features, we have many array features are there. Before that we can see how to access the element of an array. In order to access an element of an array we have to use array index. Previously I told you, right, index starts from 0. So 0 considered as first element, second element considered as 1th index, so followed by the same sequential order. So example, int number of following numbers we have store it in 4 values, right, in my numbers array. So that we are going to print, we are going to display it in if suppose you have to print 25, the first number you have to print means, so for that we can simply specify that array name, as well as within dimension we can specify the index value. So that respective values will get print in a display screen. So in this way we have to call that element of an array. Suppose if you want to print whole values, whatever there in array variable, so that we have to specify the looping structure, either for loop, while loop, or else do while. In that way we can print all values whatever stored it in array variable. Before we see array concept example, let us see the features. We have many features by implementing an array concepts, like array indexing is also one of the advantage of storing the sequential values, as well as dynamic memory allocation, and then homogeneous data. The same data type values we can store n number of values in one specified name, that we used to call as an array name. And then sorting and searching and all very easy while implementing the array concepts. So array plays a crucial role, array concept plays a crucial role in order to access, as well as the efficient way we can able to store the dynamic allocations and all. It's very easy to implement array concepts. Let us see an example for array, for reversing an array values. First we have to start with index, that preprocessor directive standard input output.h, and then within a main functions we are going to declare a variable n, as well as array name as arr, and then I. Here n specified for size of an array, and then I for looping in order to print the array values. And then from user, we are going to get the size of an array, how many values we are going to store it in a single name. And then that after that we have to print that particular elements. After that we are going to get the values that what are the elements we are going to store it in that particular array. After that we have to use the reverse process. So for that we are using a decrement operator. So decrement operator, we are going to store the reverse order values in REV is none other than another variable, array variable we are going to declare in order to store the array value in reverse order. So for that we are specifying the decrement operator. Finally we are going to print the reverse and array values. See this output, you will get clear idea. After compiling this program, you have to execute that code. After execution you will get the display screen, you will get the data as enter the size of an array. If you are specifying 3, so 3 elements you have to give as an input. Finally the reversed order value will get result. Hope you understand the array concept in a easy way. Thank you for your patient listening. Thank you. Have a nice day.